Let me save you months of frustrations. Most persons trying to sell digital products fail online, and they don't fail because digital products don't work. They fail because they created the wrong digital product. Now, you have probably heard people say, create digital products. It used to make people lots of money. Digital product can make you a millionaire, it can make you a billionaire, it can make you a trillionaire. Digital product this, digital product that. Now, because of this, a lot of persons rush and start creating digital products, but they fail. And the reason they fail is not because what people are saying about digital products is fake. It's because they created the wrong digital product. They created digital products that people don't buy, people don't really need. For you to be able to sell your digital products, for your digital product to be successful, for your digital product business to be successful, we need to know the particular digital product that people are willing to pay for. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you three digital products that consistently sell online. Three digital products that you can create that consistently sell online. That it is guaranteed that if you create three digital products, you are going to succeed. You are going to make lots of money online. My best is number three because I used number three to make over 10 million naira last year. Now, before we go right into the video, my name is Auto Progress, and what I do in this YouTube channel, I teach you how to make money, whether online or offline. I'm your money bestie. I teach you how to make money. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, and make sure you like this video, and make sure you drop a comment. You can drop a comment, you can drop thank you, you can drop anything if you find this video valuable. Now let's get right into it. The first type of digital products that sells very well is money making digital products. Now, a lot of persons want to make money. They want to make money, and they want to make money online. See, one thing about this our 21st century, a lot of persons don't want to be 9 to 5 hours a day. They don't want to do 9 to 5. They want to learn how to make money online. And if you go online, you find out that people that do any make money online training, whether they are selling course or ebooks, they always make money. So if you do affiliate marketing, that has to do with make money online, you make a lot of money. If you do YouTube monetization, that has to do with making money from YouTube, you will make money. If you do content monetization or social media monetization, you are going to make a lot of money. Anything, any training, any digital product that has to do with make money online, they always make a lot of money because people are always looking for how they can make money online in this 21st century. The second type of digital products that sell very well is any digital product that has to do with health and fitness, especially weight loss. Any digital product that has to do with weight loss sell a lot. See, one of the common problems that a lot of ladies have in Nigeria, and not just ladies, men and ladies, is they are getting fat. They are getting fat, especially married women or women that have given birth. They are getting fat. And if you go just check online, you find out that any course, any ebook that talks about losing weight, a lot of persons will want to invest their money in it. See, if you know a legit way, you know a good way, you know a genuine way, people can lose weight online. Please do a digital product. It can be a course, it can be a training, and sell. People will buy it and they will thank you, they will refer their friend, and you are going to get rich selling that particular type of digital product. This makes a lot of money. Now, if you go online, just go online and look for pages that has to do with teaching people how to lose weight. You find out that they have thousands of persons that are following them. And apart from the fact that they have thousands of persons that are following them, they have thousands of persons that are willing to pay them to show them how they have lost weight. So if you have lost weight before, that is a very good way to make money. You can look for a way to convert your knowledge, the knowledge of how you lost weight, into an ebook or into a training and start making tons of naira for yourself. The third one, which is something that I said I used to make over 10 million naira last year, is skill-based trainings or skill-based digital products. Now, a lot of persons, they want to learn skills. And the reason they want to learn skills because they realize in this 21st century, you really need skills if you don't have a 9 to 5. You need skills to boost your CV. You need skills to make money online. So if you know any skill, graphic designing, video editing, if you know any skill, you can turn that skill into a digital product and then you make a lot of money for yourself. Last year, I sold graphic design skills. Yes, I created trainings and lots of persons, thousands of persons paid for those trainings. My training was 10,000 naira, and I can boast of having more than 1,000 students that registered to learn graphic design from me last year. And skills are high in demand. People want to learn graphic designing. People want to learn video editing. People want to learn how to run Facebook ads. They want to learn how to run TikTok ads. They want to learn how to build website. They want to learn copywriting. So if you know you have any skills or you have not even learned a skill, you can learn a skill and then give yourself some time to master that skill, to be good in that particular skill, and then create a digital product and start selling it. Trust me, you are going to make a lot of money, because I have made lots of money from selling digital products. So I'm not telling you something that I read somewhere. I'm telling you something that I practically do. I have a full-blown business, and all I do is to sell digital products and I get paid. Now, if you want to learn more about selling digital products, if you want to learn how to sell digital product the right way, you want to know how to create digital products, you want to know how to choose a good niche for a digital product, how to run Facebook ads for your digital product, how to sell and market your digital product, copywriting, etc. Then I have a course. I have a course that will give you step-by-step guide on how to create a digital product, how to choose a profitable niche, and how to sell it. To get the course, just click on the link in this description and you are going to get that particular course. And you can also join my community. If you click on the link in this description, you are going to see my Telegram community. Join it so that when I drop a new video, you'll be notified that a new video has been dropped via the Telegram community. All right, we are going to end this video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.